Korea.
All India Trinamool Congress Meghalaya Unit's Vice President George B. Lingdo has alleged that the NPP-led MDA government in the state is hand in glove with the BJP government in Assam in the illegalities and corruption. Speaking to reporters, the AITC leader asked the BJP government at the centre to send CBI and Enforcement Directorate to get the corruption cases in the state investigated, alleging that the BJP government in Assam is equally responsible for corruption and illegalities in Meghalaya. Lingdo said despite TMC's official complaint to Prime Minister Narendra Modi about this, but nothing has been done by the union government till date.
Has stopped them in the past 5 years? What has stopped Amit Shah from calling or ensuring that the CBI and the Enforcement Directorate come and investigate the state? We have written, as I had said, we have written letters to the Prime Minister also highlighting the corruption issues in the state. What stopped them? Because they are part of this government. They are all part of this drama. The BJP government in Assam is hand in glove in the illegal coal smuggling. The BJP government in Assam is hand in glove in all the cow smuggling activities that is happening across Meghalaya.
NPP